Dearest friends, this Christmas let's bring elegance and flavor to the table with these super delicious salt cod bites with friarielli cream. You should make them too. In a large pot, let's add some oil. Some chopped garlic, but if you prefer, you can also add it whole, half a clove, and some chili pepper. Once the oil is fragrant and the garlic is slightly golden, let's add the friarielli, which I have already trimmed and washed. Okay? Let's cover and cook until done. After a few minutes, the friarielli have wilted, and at this point we add a bit of salt. Let's cover and continue cooking. And after about 15 minutes, the friarielli are ready. Let's turn off the heat and set them aside. I have here some delicious pieces of bacala that I have already washed and dried. Make sure they're dry. And now let's prepare them. As you can see, the pieces aren't too big, there are a few of them. So I'll cut these pieces into bite-sized chunks. I'll cut them in half and of course remove the skin, okay? But if you don't want to remove the skin, that's perfectly fine. But I do recommend it. Here we go. Why? Because the skin can curl up during cooking, so it's not good for this preparation. Here we go, and we just leave the little piece. See how cute it is? And here are the little pieces. They're ready, and we'll set them aside. Now let's prepare the tempura. Tempura is nothing more than a batter made with flour and very cold sparkling water. So let's do it like this. Pour in the cold water and mix with a whisk. Mix well until all the lumps are gone, making the batter smooth and velvety. And here it is. Very simple to prepare. See? That's how it should be. While I prepare the other ingredients, I let it rest in the fridge for a bit because it needs to be cold. While the oil reaches the right temperature, as you can see, I've already put it on the stove. I'm preparing the friarielli cream, which I reheated because it had cooled down, and I added a bit of water, okay? So I pour the friarielli into the jar. And I also add a bit of oil. Not too much, okay? And now let's blend. And here it is. Our cream is ready. Plenty of oil at 170 degrees Celsius, and let's drop in our salted cod bites. Please don't put too many pieces in at once, okay? A couple, 2, 3 at most. Otherwise the oil temperature will drop too much. And after 3 minutes of cooking, golden and super crispy bites. Look how beautiful they are. And we put them here. Let's continue with all the others. The cod bites have been fried and they're beautiful, delicious and crispy. And now let's plate the dish. Let's put a bit of friarielli cream on the bottom. And then we place our crispy cod bites on top. And the cod bites with friarielli cream are ready to be enjoyed. And I'm going to enjoy them. Enjoy. Oh my. And with this wonderful taste, I'll say goodbye. Bye.